Welcome to New York City, the land of dreams, diversity, and dazzling lights. This isn't just a city, it's an emotion that captures the heart of millions. From the architectural marvels that kiss the clouds to the peaceful green spaces tucked between skyscrapers, New York is truly a world within a city. In this video, we're counting down the 10 most attractive places in New York City, spots that will make you fall in love with the Big Apple. So sit back, relax, and get ready to explore America's greatest city like never before.
Number 1.
Times Square. The heartbeat of New York.
Imagine standing under the neon glow of 1,000 screens, where day feels like night and night feels like day. Welcome to Times Square, the most iconic and lively place in New York. Times Square is more than just lights, it's a celebration of humanity. Over 360,000 people pass through here every single day. You'll see massive digital billboards, Broadway theaters, street performers, and a mix of tourists from every corner of the world. Make sure to visit at night, when the entire area lights up like a dream. Don't miss the New Year's Eve ball drop, one of the most watched events in the world. Times Square isn't just a place, it's an experience.
Number 2.
Central Park. The green heart of Manhattan.
From chaos to calm, welcome to Central Park, the most famous urban park in the world. Spread across 843 acres, it's a masterpiece of design where you can escape the noise and reconnect with nature. Take a relaxing walk around the lake, rent a boat, or have a picnic near Sheep Meadow. You'll find beautiful bridges like Bow Bridge and spots like Bethesda Terrace that have appeared in hundreds of Hollywood movies. In winter, the park turns magical with snow-covered paths, while in spring, it bursts into colors with cherry blossoms. Central Park isn't just a park, it's the soul of New York City.
Number 3.
The Statue of Liberty. A symbol of freedom.
Standing tall on Liberty Island, the Statue of Liberty is not just a monument, it's a message. A message of freedom, hope, and unity. Gifted by France in 1886, Lady Liberty has welcomed millions of immigrants arriving by sea, representing the dream of a new beginning. You can take a ferry from Battery Park to Liberty Island, climb up to the Crown, and gaze over the entire New York harbor. The panoramic views are simply unforgettable. Nearby, explore Ellis Island, where millions of people once took their first steps into America. This place reminds you that every dream has a beginning, and for many, it began right here.
Number 4.
Empire State Building. Touching the sky.
Few buildings capture human ambition like the Empire State Building. At 1,454 feet tall, it was once the tallest building in the world, and it remains a global symbol of engineering excellence. Head to the 86th or 102nd floor observation decks, where you can see all 5 boroughs of New York and on a clear day, even beyond. At night, the building glows with different colors representing holidays and world events. From romance to cinematic history, remember King Kong? This building has seen it all.
Number 5.
Brooklyn Bridge. Where history meets beauty.
Built in 1883, the Brooklyn Bridge is one of New York's oldest and most beautiful landmarks. Walk or cycle across the bridge at sunrise or sunset for breathtaking skyline views of Manhattan and Brooklyn. The golden hues reflecting off the East River create pure magic. When you reach the Brooklyn side, don't forget to explore DUMBO, a trendy area filled with coffee shops, art galleries, and the famous photo spot between old brick buildings where you see the Manhattan Bridge framed perfectly. It's the kind of place where photographers and dreamers come to capture the soul of the city.
Number 6.
The Metropolitan Museum of Art, the Met. A world of wonders.
Welcome to the Met, one of the largest and most prestigious museums in the world. Here, you can travel through 5,000 years of history, from Egyptian mummies and Greek sculptures to Renaissance paintings and modern masterpieces. Even the building itself is art, grand, majestic, and inspiring. If you love art, history, or culture, you could spend an entire day here and still not see everything. And don't miss the Met Gala, the world's most glamorous fashion event held right here every year. The Met isn't just a museum, it's a journey through time.
Number 7.
One World Observatory. The new symbol of strength.
Built on the site of the former World Trade Center, the One World Observatory is both emotional and inspiring, standing at 1,776 feet. It's the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere. From the top, you can see the entire city, from the Statue of Liberty to Central Park, stretching endlessly in every direction. It's a place of remembrance, resilience, and renewal, showing the world that New York always rises again.
Number 8.
Broadway. The stage of dreams.
Welcome to Broadway, the beating heart of theatre and performance. This is where magic happens every night, where stories come alive on stage. Whether it's The Lion King, Hamilton, or Wicked, every show leaves the audience spellbound. Even if you don't watch a show, just walking down Broadway is enough to feel its energy, the posters, the people, the passion. Broadway is not just entertainment, it's New York's creative soul.
Number 9.
Rockefeller Center. Elegance and entertainment.
The Rockefeller Center is the perfect blend of art, culture, and fun. Visit the top of the Rock Observation Deck for a spectacular view of the Empire State Building and Central Park. During winter, the iconic Christmas tree and ice skating rink turn the area into a winter wonderland. It's also home to NBC Studios and the famous Radio City Music Hall, where the Rockettes perform dazzling dance shows every year. Rockefeller Center captures the spirit of New York, elegant, energetic, and always alive.
Number 10.
Fifth Avenue. Luxury meets.
Our final stop, Fifth Avenue, one of the most famous shopping streets in the world. Here you'll find iconic brands like Tiffany & Co., Louis Vuitton, and Apple's flagship Glass Cube store. But it's not just about shopping. The architecture, the people, and the energy make it an unforgettable experience. From the New York Public Library to St. Patrick's Cathedral, everything here blends luxury with culture. Whether you're window shopping or treating yourself, Fifth Avenue makes you feel like you're part of something grand.
Bonus tip.
New York City, a place where dreams are born, where skyscrapers touch the clouds, and where every visit leaves a mark on your heart. From its parks to its museums, its bridges to its lights, New York isn't just a city, it's a feeling. So whether you're planning to visit or just dreaming for now, remember, New York will always be waiting for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through New York City, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, keep exploring, because the world is full of wonders waiting for you.